What are nic salts? This is a question we are commonly asked by new and experienced vapers. In this latest video from the electronic cigarette company, we will discuss what are nic salts and explore the best flavours and ranges. Nic salts are designed to provide a like-for-like disposable flavour with a smooth inhale and vibrant taste. Likening to bar salts, they are absorbed straight to the bloodstream for a fast-acting nicotine hit, making them a perfect choice for former disposable users and cigarette users. Nicotine salts commonly come in a 50-50 VG/PG ratio. So what are the benefits of switching to a nicotine salt? There are many benefits from switching from disposables or cigarettes to a reusable pod kit. Firstly, they are cost-effective. Nic salts are a cost-effective alternative that offer up to 5 times the usage of an ELF Bar 600. However, it's important to note that in order to use your nicotine salts, you will need to acquire a pod kit. Popular starter kits begin at a small cost, making them a perfect choice for new users. Nicotine salts are more environmentally friendly. Single-use devices generate a large amount of waste and are commonly discarded irresponsibly. Refillable and rechargeable pod kits offer a longer-lasting experience designed to provide less waste. So why not make the change before the June 1st disposable ban and become a more environmentally friendly vapor? Now, let's explore some commonly asked questions from tech customers. What is the difference between freebase and nic salt? Freebase e-liquid is most commonly known for replicating the harsh throat hit of a cigarette, whereas nicotine salt is best known for providing a vibrant flavour and a fast-acting nicotine hit. Popular freebase e-liquids include Tech Titan and Riot Classics. What are the best nic salt flavours? Nic salts are available in a range of vibrant flavours and nicotine strengths for a variety of users. Popular choices include watermelon ice, grape berry, mango and pineapple ice. All are available from the best-selling vape brands on the market, including Elux and Bar Juice. What devices pair best with nic salt? Nic salts work best with mouth-to-run vape kits for a low-powered, smooth inhale. Devices such as the Texono make a perfect choice to pair with nicotine salts. It features an 1100 mAh battery, HD colour screen, and convenient side refill. So that's everything you need to know about nicotine salts. At the Electronic Cigarette Company, we hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, be sure to pop them in the comments below. Be sure to also like and subscribe for more vaping content on the latest devices.